This is the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and you are looking at one of the best folding phones on the market right now. There are certain myths I'm here to dispel, and the Pixel Fold is nowhere near the boasts of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The tiny cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, while utilizing cover display, is a bit of a weak aspect of the device. Yes, it is a little tough to type on, but it is incredibly pleasant to use with one hand, and while having Fold 5 on the go, the grip on cover display is pretty good. Despite all the criticism Samsung receives about cover display, this settled on this form factor for a reason. The main display on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the inner display 7.6 inches, which is correct. If you came across Pixel Fold, almost every Pixel Fold user uses cover display 80% of the time because it's wider and close to a candy bar phone, so you don't even open your Pixel Fold most of the time. But if you are using Z Fold 5, you end up using 7.6 inches in the display, which is a true folding phone experience. As Z Fold 5 comes with a really good inner display, yes, it looks like the predecessor Galaxy Z Fold 4, but it is way brighter. While using under direction light, you'll see no issues with the Z Fold 5, as it comes with a 1750 nits brightness, pairing up with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If I had a choice between Pixel Fold or Fold 5 in their display, Fold 5 inner display is miles ahead with its narrow bezels. If you ever held a Galaxy S23 Ultra with a case, Fold 5 will weight similar to that, which means we are closing the weight gain with a candy bar phone. Let's just not talk about Pixel Fold, it's too heavy, about 30 grams more than Galaxy Z Fold 5. The battery life on the Fold 5 is completely fine, just like any other foldable phone, but a little better. It will work for you all day long with a mixed use of inner display and cover display, although if you test the screen on time straight on, with various apps it can last about 9.5 hours, with the new power-efficient processor, and an improvement over last year's Fold 4. Although the battery size is the same as the 4400, if you want to stretch the battery, try utilizing light mode, which will preserve the 120 Hz refresh rate. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.